She's awake this morning. And she's on a smelly poo. Say hello to everybody. Hi. She's lying on the bed at the moment. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you again. Oh, you're not getting a cold, are you? You're not getting a cold, are you? Don't need one of them. It's nice for you to be in here. Nice and warm in here compared to outside. I'll stay in here. I have to change your bum now, so I have to go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. That's a nice picture. Nice view. Right, gotta go.